Hello, welcome to this video tutorial of Marketplace Advertisement Manager for Magento 2. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how the sellers would be able to create their ads and how they can purchase the ad blocks that have been created by the admin from the admin backend panel. So for that, what we'll be doing is we'll be going to the seller account panel, and we'll be showing you how this can be done at the sellers end, how the sellers can create their ads and can purchase the ad blocks within the website, within the various places that are being set by the admin for displaying the ads at the front end. So I'll be taking you to the seller account panel now. And lastly, I'll be showing you how the ads would be visible at the after the sellers have purchased the ad block and the invoice has been generated by the admin from the admin backend. And after that, we'll show you how the advertisements get visible at the front end. So first, let's go to the seller's account panel, and let's see how the seller would be able to create his ad and how he can purchase the advertisement block from his account panel. So here I am at the website front end, and I'll be logging into the website as a seller by clicking the login button here. So now we are at the seller panel right now, as you can see, and on the left hand side under the marketplace dashboard here, you need to scroll to the advertisement block. And here we have two options. One is the advertisement blocks and the other one is the buy advertisement positions. So the very first thing that a seller needs to do is he needs to create an advertisement block. So I'll show you how a seller can create an advertisement block. And after that, I'll show you how to buy the advertisement positions that the admin has created from the backend for the website front end sections as he has set up. So for that, I'll be showing you the same as well. So the very first thing that the seller needs to do is he needs to create the ad blocks. So the ads that the seller needs to display to the customers after a customer has clicked on the ad. So for that, you just need to click on the ads blocks button here on the right hand side, and you can see the edit and create block has come up, and here we can set up the title for this ad block. For now, I'll be keeping it as test 3. We can add an image for this ad block, so we can select any of the images. For now, I'll be selecting and I need to paste the URL where the customer would be redirected after he has clicked on the advertisement. So I've added that URL link as well, and after that I'll be clicking the save button to save this app. And so you can see that the ad block has been saved. The ad block has been successfully saved. So now I'll show you how to buy the advertisement positions. For that, we have to go to the advertisement positions page first, and here I am at the advertisement positions section, and from here the seller would be able to purchase the various positions that are available for displaying the seller advertisements. Now, one more thing is there that the seller would also be able to see how many positions are still left. Here on the right hand side, you can see a green marker with a numeric number within it. So this determines how many ads are still available for a particular position that we are trying to book. So what we'll be doing is we'll be selecting the seller's home page where we'll be adding our advertisement block. So I'll navigate to that position first. Okay, so here I am at the home seller ads page top. So we'll be booking this advertisement position for our ad. So what I'll do is here you can see the price is $20 that we had set, and the validity of this ad. So after I've set it as 1111 days. So after that, it would expire. Now I need to select the ad blocks. So what I'll do, I'll click the drop down option here, and I'll select my ad that I had created, the test3 one, and after that I'll click the book button. Now after this, so after adding the ad position to the cart, I can click the proceed to checkout button to complete the purchase for this particular position on my home screen top. I'll just select the payment method and I'll click the place order button after that. Alright, we have the purchase has gone through. So now what I'll do is I'll just need to create the invoice from the admin's end, and after that I'll show you how the advertisement would be visible at the front end. So what I'll do, I'll go to the admin backend and I'll create an invoice for this order, as I've placed it using the check and money order, and we have the order number as 305. So here is the 305 order number, and the status is pending. So I'll click on the view button and I'll be creating the invoice for this order. So here I'll click on the invoice button under the order view, and on the new invoice page I'll just navigate down and I'll click the submit invoice button to generate the invoice for this particular order for the home seller ads page top. And you can see that the invoice has been created. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the web store front end now, and I'll try and refresh the page, the home page. And here you can see that the advertisement banner that I had added at the very top of the seller home page is visible. As this is just a demonstration, that's why I've added this example poster there. So that was much about this extension. So you can see that the advertisement is still visible here now, and I'll click on it, and we had set a URL that would be hit after clicking this ad block. So I'll show you, and this is the customer front end right now, what I'm trying to show you. So the customer would then be directly redirected to the actual URL that was used for that particular ad block, and the customer would take it to that particular page thereafter. So that was much about the Marketplace Advertisement Manager for Magento 2. Hope it helped you out. If you have any queries or suggestions regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.